Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make desi matka PAYA kunna. It's so delicious and you have to try this recipe out, and it's a must try for family. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First you will need 4 kg of PAYA, and this is mixed garam masala. You will also need 2 medium-sized onions. Now back here, you have to add all of the mixed garam masala in with the 2 medium-sized onions. Now boil them. The next step is you will need 4 tablespoons of fried onions and add 2 tablespoons of curd. Now blend it up and make it a paste kind of like this. Next, take a clay pot and add half cup of oil and add the mixed garam masala. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And the paste that was blended earlier. Now next are the masalas. You will need PAYA masala, meat masala, coriander masala, red chili powder and salt according to taste. Everything here is 2 tablespoons. Now next add the boiled PAYA that were kept for boiling earlier. Mix well. Now drain the water as well. It will look something like this. Now next you can garnish them using some coriander leaves. Now next you will need 2 tablespoons of flour and add water and mix until there are no lumps. Now open the lid and keep adding it time by time. Now cover the lid for just 5 minutes. Once it's ready, you can serve it out. So our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.